If you try the no poo method using hard water, your hair is going to be sticky and waxy and gross. Hard water is full of minerals, and those minerals build up in your hair. It's very easy to reduce the buildup. Never fear, you can make it go away. I'm going to wash my hair under hard water without using purified water before and afterwards. I'm going to get a buildup of the minerals. I'll show you what difference it makes to my hairbrush. It's clean. And then I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. So I washed my hair last night with just hard water. It still feels wet. It hasn't dried properly. My hair is sticky, very gross. My hands, I can feel it. Ew. It feels like there's wax in my hair. See that? That's the mineral buildup from just one time. And all of that extra hair loss. Kind of just clumping as if I've got dreads. Feels sticky, just not drying. Yuck. That white yuck. Yuck. That's all in my hair. That's from hard water. That's the minerals. It's calcium and magnesium and I don't know. It's stuck to my fingers now. Making me look like I've got dandruff. So I've just washed the applesauce out of my hair and I can already feel the difference. My hair feels soft again, and I'm going to do the hairbrush test. I've got a clean hairbrush. You can see I've already combed my hair. I was just so excited to see the result. Yeah, none of that white crap that was on there before. Now you might find there's still a little bit of residue left over and you might have to do this twice. This is the second time I've done the applesauce mask, so it definitely took out a lot of buildup that might have been there before. The applesauce mask doesn't wash your hair, so my hair still needs a wash, but it definitely feels so much softer. That waxy, sticky feeling is gone and I'm really happy with the results. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my upcoming videos. Applesauce in my ears.